So we're going to head over to our map view first off from our web map. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the layer that we're looking to do the SQL search on, click on the hamburgeler menu icon next to it, and click View Attributes. Our attribute table pops up then at the bottom left-hand corner, and you can see that we've just recently added a hamburgeler for the attribute table itself. So if you click on that, that gives you the ability to either expand your attribute table to full screen or go right to an SQL search. So if you went to full screen, we can see that there's an SQL button at the top right-hand corner. So if we click that, our SQL wizard pops up, and you have the option of either doing the wizard itself or doing a manual SQL entry. So using the SQL is pretty easy. You choose to filter by either all of the following conditions or any of the following conditions, and you add multiple conditions as well as multiple groups. So that way you can filter it based on a number of different things. So in this example, we're looking at Democratic votes. So maybe we scroll down and we want to filter by those votes, and we want to make sure that they are greater than 500 for these areas that we're looking at. And if we click execute, it applies that. You can also order them by different attributes as well as choose the direction to order by. You can see that now on the map it's popped, or sorry, on our attribute table it's popped up with all these selected options, where if we scrolled over to our right, we see that the votes for Democrats are all over 500. You can also see that we have a new filter button, which is just filtering it by the selection. It says selected, and it's green, meaning that right now we just are looking at what has been selected via our SQL search. If we chose to turn that off, then we can see that the entire list is still there, and whatever applies to our search is highlighted in blue. So also an important note is that when you go back to your map, you have everything that is selected on your SQL search also selected on your map, so you can do multi-select via your attribute table as well as via your map. And that's it. Thanks for listening.